Today we bring you to an exclusive corner of southern Tuscany. Hi, I'm Elizabeth with Great Estate. Let's discover a charming residence, full of character, located in the beautiful countryside of Cetona. Surrounding this beautiful property, you'll find over 2 hectares of land, a small vineyard, and an olive grove. The entire property consists of a beautiful main farmhouse built in 1840 on 3 levels. And in addition, there are 3 guest houses, one just in front of the property and the other 2 in close proximity. The 3 guest houses include a total of 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. One of the guest houses even includes 2 cellars for storage and a cave. The 350 square meter farmhouse includes a traditional country-style kitchen. Then we have 2 spacious living rooms adjacent to one another with beautiful brick arches. And the focal point of this area is absolutely the double-sided fireplace where you can entertain your loved ones or friends. In the main farmhouse, we have a total of 6 bedrooms, 2 of which you'll find here on the ground floor, and 4 of which you'll find on the first floor. There are also a total of 4 bathrooms. Come with me.